In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to install CodeLite 8 Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. And hereafter, let's use terminal. And at this place, I'm going to write some commands. So at here, sudo apt -get update. So doing the update, give the password, and it's start doing the update from this site ubuntu.com, and here reading the package list. So update part that have completed, and here after we need to install this sudo apt get install and build essential, copy and paste there, press enter. And here this required 143 MB additional disk space, write by press enter. And this is the all detail. Here after operation, here it's downloading the file with this speed 1185 KB. Now here you can see after doing so many process, the command sudo apt get install build essential that completed. And when that completed, here after we need to use another command sudo apt install G++. So let's copy this one, and here, so once again copy, and paste there. Now press enter. So here G++, it's already the newest version, and here if I write G++ version, so here you get this details. So this is 9.3 the version, and after completing these tools, I'm going to write here CodeLite. So CodeLite not found but can be installed by writing this command. So let's use this command sudo apt install, copy and paste there. And here this is required 67 MB additional disk space, write by press enter. And it's start downloading and installing the CodeLite. Now you can see this is progress 36%, and this is doing selecting, unpacking and setting up processing trigger. So it's completed 96%, and here processing trigger for desktop files utils 0.24 Ubuntu 2, and this all those things right now running. So it's almost done here. Like that downloaded and installed successfully. So here click on show application. At this place write CodeLite, click there on CodeLite. So here it's opening the CodeLite editor. So this is the first time that I'm using, so welcome to not this time. Click on next, and here you can use default don't change current setting, or if you want to do a special for C++ development, you can select this option, and this is for web development. So let's select C++, and here scan. So here click next, finish. Now the first step here, click on new workspace. So writing at here test cpp. Now click on, so this workspace path, click on OK. So workspace created, right click, new, and here project going to create. So going to use add here console, and going to use simple executable G C lang ++, and click next, and here give the project name, giving add here Adam project. So this location. Now here after create a project under separate directory, so uncheck this option, click on next here. For this is fine, and here debugger, so GNU, and here it's all fine, no need to change anything. If you want, then you can select other option. Now here after when that done, click on finish, and Adam project created, src here main.cpp, and here you can see hello world program is there. Now what we need to do, start continue debugging. So build and debug. Now you can see here home Adam entering directory, and terminal that open. Let's click on build and here run, and let's click on execute, and here you can see hello world, it's displaying. Hit any key to continue. Now if I do any modification, hello world, how are you, Control S to save. Now after saving, build and here run, click on execute. Now you can see it's still displaying. What we need to do, save files, and save okay. So first start debugging, build and debug. So here it's debugging. Now debugging part that have completed, 0 error, 0 warning. Now build and run once again. Click on execute. Now this time hello world, how are you, it's displaying. So this is the way we can install CodeLite inside Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.